Hello everyone, today I am playing Space Engine again for my second video. Author and lay programmer, Andromeda Catalog, Galaxy models. Anyway, we want to get into the game. Thank you. Oh, it's Pluto from my last video. Oh. Yeah, it zoomed all the way out, that's why. Wait, woohoo! Like a disco party going on here. You have to find a random galaxy to go to or something. Or should we just go to the Andromeda Galaxy? Andromeda's sun asteroid. The going is right over here. Very close by. Is this what it actually looks like? That's what they send in a program it to be like that. Anyway, let's go into the galaxy. Wait! Why did I go so fast? Sideways. Hey, yo! Actually, let's check out the black hole first. Stop messing around. We land inside the galaxy. And we keep going. Maybe. What's up? I think that's it. That's a black hole because it's the brightest thing there. Let's go. Closer. Ooh, no, that's more like it. Tons of stars orbiting M31 central black hole. Andromeda central black hole, actually. We got 4 red dwarfs, 3 white main sequence stars, 2 orange dwarfs, and so on. Apparently a lot of stars orbiting it. This is the closest. Ooh. Where's the black hole? What? I see the accretion disk. There it is. It's very big and giant compared to that tiny little star. So yeah, that's a black hole. Already seen it. Because it just did. Can I find any ones with light? I'm just randomly clicking. I don't care. Wait. There's a planet with life in a quadruple yellow dwarf system. That sounds interesting. Let's go over there. See what it is. So it's orbiting this star. And it's just when it's not a planet, it's a boring moon with subglacial life. Of course. It's like the most popular for some reason. You are the most boring piece of rock that Where'd you go? Oh. You are the most boring piece of rock that I've ever seen in Space Engine. I want to find something else. Something different. Something new. Wait. Going in here. Yes, procedural generated object. Wait, is the black hole procedurally generated? Wait, hold on, I have to do the thingy again. How is that star still visible when I'm like this far away from it? Okay, that's fine. Yeah, there's a little white dot there. Oh wow, that's not the star. That's how bright the black hole is. Luminosity 9.9. Oof. Is this procedurally generated? It's a real object. I didn't know that. Ooh. No, that's space. I know it since I was in like grade 3 or something. You know, I'll just do it the advanced way. Search for a Terra with organic, unicellular, multicellular life, marine and terrestrial. Can it find anything? Nope. That's because it's only 10 light years. What if we add an extra 0 in there? Oh, there we go. Let's check this one out. So it's this one. -8. Temper lacustrine terror with life. We're going there. Why is it so laggy? Oh. Thought by lacustrine, like the water will be underground. But apparently, yeah, it looks more interesting now. Apparently my space engine is so laggy. Ooh, mountains. But they're in low quality. Because if it was any higher, it would crash the entire game. Wow, mountain ranges over here. That looks like a really tall mountain. Is that a volcano? No. Yeah. So yeah, there are the mountains of the planet. You can zoom out from them. Whee! Going side by side. Alrighty, any more? Go. Wait, no, that was the same one. This one. I think it's on this star. Yeah. 64 degrees Celsius. That's like really hot. Oh, nice water as well. There's like a giant lake in the middle of it. No seas, just a lake. Whoa. Did I land in the water? No, I didn't. Wow. Very huge mountains over here. Volcano! There it is. It's... wow. It's active. We must get away from it right now. Zoom out. Tons, millions, hundreds of light years. Millions. So yeah guys, that's it for this video of the Andromeda Galaxy. And I will see you in the next video that I release. Bye guys!